Hi everyone! In today's video we are doing a makeover on Jayden's closet. So we had a lot of hand-me-downs from friends and families, but we kind of just stuffed it all into one closet. And I figured it's time to do a makeover. So I got these cute shelves from Target for $32, I believe. I saw them on sale and I just had to get them, and I just wanted to use these cube shelf color as the theme color of Jayden's closet. And then I got those bins from Dollar Tree and Amazon. I kind of just mixed and matched. I was trying to figure out if I should put them all together or mix and match them, and then I end up deciding on mixing and matching them. And of course Jayden had to come up to the room to keep me company. I started to organize his closet when he was 1, and it took me a while to finish because Jayden always wanted to be a part of everything that I do. So every time I put some clothes out, he'd dig it out, throw it around. So yeah, it took me a couple of times to actually finish this. But I did have fun organizing, the closet with him. But I was just trying to figure out which is the best way to put the bins so the color doesn't look weird. But anyways, I end up stacking those shelves on the side because that's the best way to put all the bins up there, so it doesn't interfere with the clothes that are hanging up there. If you have a bigger closet for your baby, I totally would recommend putting the cube shelves on the other side so you can actually see it when you walk in. But this is working out for me too. So yep, let's watch Jayden help me while I do all this organization. I end up pausing that organization process because Jayden was being fussy and needed my full attention. And that's okay because that's just mom life. Alright, so the organization has been done, and I really want to show you how I organize Jayden's little closet. So over here I have a pocket organizer where I put Jayden's shoes. These are brand new ones, and these are smaller ones. Some of them I might have to put away because Jayden's getting bigger now and he can barely fit into these anymore. And then I put some of his sunglasses, accessories over here. I love this little organizer. It's just perfect. And then I hang some of his jackets and my favorite pieces of clothing, getting ready to be worn in the upcoming seasons, and I just hang it over here because I really like how they look. And then on the top, those are Dollar Tree bins. I put some blackboard stickers on them. Now this one doesn't have anything in it. This one's empty. I do have so many space in here. I feel like there's too much storage space, but as Jayden grows, I will have a lot more things for him. So I'm just leaving it up there. This is his swimsuits and then his swim diapers. They're up here. And then these are the Chinese tradition stuff for Jayden's birthday, and I'm keeping it because for the next baby I want to keep it. And then I put some of the extra shoes or shoe boxes back there. Whenever he's big enough, I can take them out and he can try them on. And then these are blankets, the receiving blankets. He doesn't use them anymore, but I like to keep them up there. And these are his bed sheets. I just put them up here. And then these are the safety gears, like the safety stuff for doors. I just store them up there in case if I need them in the future, I might use them. And this is like a pillow blanket thing, 2-in-1. I just keep it here, but if we go out to travel, I bring it with me because it's a pillow and a blanket. And I put the marker and the labels over here just in case if I wanted to change or add some extra storage. Now, the most important parts are down here.
All right, so I got these on Amazon and it was on sale. I believe it was like $6.99. And these I got from Dollar Tree. They were $1 each. And the labels I got it from Dollar Tree also. Pretty, huh? I love these labels. So, and then I kind of just mix match them in. I like the look of it. And then I got these cube shelves from Target. It was on sale. I believe I got it for $32. It was a pretty good deal and I love the colors and I got 2 of them. So on the top here, I have the short sleeve onesies and I kind of just throw them in there. But you know, since it's hidden, you don't have to fold them. I like to roll them up and throw them in there. And these are the bibs. I just put the bibs in here. And then these are the rompers. Kind of roll them up and just put them in there. And I have a lot of socks, new ones and old ones. And then these are the sleep and play, the pants and shorts. I like to roll the pants and shorts up here, and then there are new ones over there. I really like how these work. These are the long sleeves onesies. Sometimes it gets really cold and weather changes. Fall is coming up, so I have the long sleeves ready. And then we have a couple of the muslin blankets over here. And then hats. He doesn't have a lot of hats. So this is pretty empty. This one, I don't have anything in there just because he doesn't have a lot of stuff. So this one is empty. And then I have some winter blankets here. These are really, really thick. He hasn't been using any winter blankets because it's not that cold during the winter time in California, but I do bring this back to Asia when I go visit Asia, Taiwan, when it gets really, really cold. I do keep these handy. And then the sleep sacks. Blech. These are the sleep sacks. I have these ones from Japan. They're really nice because they are open on the bottom, so they don't really limit an age on them. When it's really, really cold and they don't like blankets, these are great because they stay on them like a vest, so I love them. All right, so this is how I organize Jayden's closet. What do you guys think? Does this work? Let me know if you have any tips or, you know, any suggestions on how I can improve this better. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Peekaboo!